girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. In today's video, we're going to be making a vision board. That could be for the next 30 days, for the next 60 days, for the next 90 days, for the next year. It's up to you how you like to measure your goals. But I'm going to show you how I do it to hopefully inspire you to make your own and crush your goals. Let's get right into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually set your goals. So grab some paper, grab a cute notebook, grab your favorite pen. Let's go set the goals. This video is not about that, so don't you worry, that'll be a separate one. The next thing I do is open up PicMonkey, and I chose a collage format so that I could easily replace the photos and not have to mess around with formatting too much. I then started inserting my photos into the collage. The great thing about the internet is that you can pull anything from Google at any time. You don't have to rifle through magazines for hours trying to find the exact right photo for you to glue to a board. You can do it all there, and then once you're done, print it. No wasted paper, no random cutting. As long as the photos make sense to you and help you get into that mindset of actually achieving your goals, then it doesn't really matter what they are. Who cares what people think? We don't have time for that energy in 2021. We just keep it moving and keep it pushing. I'm changing the number on this photo I found of a savings account, and then I'm putting the number in that I actually want to achieve. So I want to achieve $10,000 in my savings this year, period end. This is not going to be my entire financial picture, but this is just one thing that I would really like to focus on. Also, the photo of myself in the middle was when I was the happiest at my happiest with my body, how it looked, how I felt all the time, and I would like to get back to that. I'm now inserting my word of the year for 2021. I found the text that I liked on the side there, and then I'm just going to edit it to get it to what I want it to be. I'm going to write 2021 and the word growth. That was my word of the year for last year, and while I did grow in several ways, I think that we can push it further this year. Once you have all your photos to your liking, exactly how you want them, then you're going to download the image from PicMonkey. Don't try to just print the page that you're on. You have to download it first and then open it and then print it. Don't forget to awkwardly stand by the printer and make sure that it actually prints. And then put it somewhere where you are going to see it every single day. I am putting mine in the front of my binder that I use primarily for budgeting, but also for life tasks. PicMonkey also has a smart resize tool, which is really great because then you can simply resize it for other formats like a phone screen and then resize everything and then make it your lock screen so that you literally look at it a bajillion times every single day. That's it for this video, and until next time, stay hydrated, sis.